Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Niki Nuan Satara. You can call me Niki. And I'm from tourism in Airlangga University. And now I will to tell you about commentary one day tour in Surakarta. For the start point, we do at Grand Amira Hotel. That location at Veteran Street in Surakarta City. And we begin trip for the first destination at the Heritage Village at Permata Raya Duku Tegal Mulyo Street. And from Grand Amira Hotel to the Heritage Village, we took Bayangkara Street and then Dr. Rajiman Street and then Slamet Riyadi Street and then Ahmad Yani Street and last Pabrik Gula Gembongan Street. Okay, the heritage place is one of new attraction or destination, and that place was opened mid 2018, and that place was originally a sugar factory and now become family tourist. In the every corner, Heritage Village have a nuance classical Europe and also Instagrammable. In there are also various unique car collection, and for the enter we can pay 20,000 rupiah for the gate only and 55,000 rupiah for the canal package for the weekdays and 65,000 rupiah for the weekends. And the Heritage Village open every day from at 9 o'clock until 18 o'clock. After that, we will continue trip to the second destination, namely Cheto Temple. But before to the Cheto Temple, we will stop in the restaurant for lunch. That restaurant, namely Jimbaran Karanganyar. And then from first destination or Heritage Village to the second destination or Cheto Temple, we took Permata Raya Duku Tegal Mulyo Street, and then Pabrik Gula Gembongan Street, and then Ahmad Yani Street, and then Slamet Riyadi Street, and then Semarang Surakarta Street, and then Tentara Pelajar Street, and then Insinyur Sutami Street, and then Solo Sragen Street, and next Solo Tawangmangu Street, and last Lau Street. In the Lau Street is a location for the Jimbaran Karanganyar restaurant, and after lunch in the Jimbaran Karanganyar restaurant, we continue trip to the second destination, that location in the Karanganyar, namely is Cheto Temple, and we took Lau Street, and then Karangpandan Ngargonyoso Street, and then Kemuning Raya Street, and then Kadipekso Street. After that, Trengguli Street, and we arrive in Cheto Temple. Cheto Temple is a temple which is located in Gumeng Village, Cimahi District, Karanganyar region, Central Java. And for the enter to the temple, we can pay 7,000 rupiah. And in this place, open at 9 o'clock until 17 o'clock. But before enter, each visitor must wear poleng at the waist. And this Cheto temple has a side building and has a structure and ornament is different from other temple in Central Java. And this temple has a beautiful scenery because this temple near with a tea plantation and rice field, and this temple has a mountain background. After Cheto temple, we will continue trip to the third destination or last destination, namely House Atsiri. From to the Cheto temple to the House Atsiri, we took Trengguli Street and then Kadipekso Street and then Karangpandan Ngargoyoso Street and then Karangpandan Kemuning Street and then Ngranten Kulon Street and then Baharjep Street and then Karang Street and then Serandon Street, Lawu Street, and last Watu Sambang Street. In the House Atsiri is located in the Prambon, Tawangmangu, and we can do activities in the House Atsiri, aromatic garden tour to see collection type essential plants, exploring essential oil museum, and we can enjoy a restaurant serve as a typical Atsiri. Atsiri House is a last destination, and we will continue trip to come back to the Grand Amira Hotel in Surakarta City. And from Atsiri House to the Grand Amira Hotel, we took Watu Sambang Street, Atsana Kiri Bangun Street, and then Matesi Tawangmangu Street, and then Matesi Tegal Gede Street, and then Karanganyar Matesi, and then Kaleng Karanganyar Street, and then Lalung Bekonang Street, and then Pramuka Street. After that, Kiai Mojo Street, and we arrive in the Veteran Street is a Grand Amira Hotel. Okay, that is from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.